You're watching a Love Jack video, where I show you how to create, share, and connect through art. This is Make Art to Mail. With just a few supplies and some time to sit and connect, I will show you how to make a handmade card that is sure to put a smile on someone's face. We believe art has the power to make you happy, so let's make some today and mail some happiness to your friend. This month's creative challenge is hearts, and for this card, I'm bringing you one of my favorite projects from my art class, Artists and Crafts. Yes, my art class is for kids ages 2 to 4, but this project and technique is fun for every age. We will be making a simple heart stencil and using a pencil eraser to fill it in with perfect inked circles. Here's what you'll need: cardstock, an envelope, cardstock, preferably something a little bit thicker than regular paper, a scrap piece of paper, a pencil for tracing, a pencil with an unused eraser for stamping, an ink pad, scissors, and some tape. We're going to make a heart stencil card. First, we gotta make our heart. Fold your paper in half, roll half of the heart. If you've been watching my videos from the beginning, you know this is my go-to method for making a heart. So now, once you have your heart cut out of your scrap paper, you are going to trace it in the middle of your scrap cardstock. Now, cut it out. Now that you have it cut out, this is your stencil. Place your stencil face down with the pencil marks towards the table. That way the pencil marks don't accidentally get on your card. Now you're gonna line this up so that it's centered. Take your tape, stick it down. I'm using washi tape because it's easy to peel on and peel off. Now that you have your card face down on your stencil face down, flip it over. Now this is the fun part. You could use any color ink. I was originally going to use red, but since our challenge this month is hearts, I found this really awesome purple heart stamp. So to incorporate that, I'm gonna use red and purple ink. I'm gonna start with red. Just take your unused eraser, press it down on the ink, and then stamp it. It should make a perfect circle. Now go to town. The key is to make sure you get the edge of the heart. That way when you take the stencil off, you will see that it was a heart. This is fun for adults, but it's also perfect for kids because by masking off part of the card, they can go crazy and do whatever they want inside of this heart. And then no matter what they do, when I take it off, it will still look like a heart. You could do this with paint, you could do this with ink, you could do this with multiple mediums, crayons. This is a great way to make kids' artwork look extra impressive. I really like the color combination of purple and red. I also like the different shades of the colors, that's why I'm stamping it twice. One so it's a really dark color, and then the second time it's a little bit lighter. Now the reveal. Ooh, pretty cute, right? Now for the envelope. As I said, I was inspired by this purple heart stamp, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there now. Now, to make the envelope match with the card, I'm going to bring back my stencil that I originally made. So now I'm just gonna go around the heart so it will make a border where I'll put my friend's name and address. I'm leaving space so I could go back with the red stamp. And it doesn't necessarily have to be in a pattern. I'm kind of making it look a little varied on purpose. Okay, now, before I go to the next color, I'm gonna try to ink it off completely. That way my ink stays clean. Cute! It almost reminds me of lights on a marquee, right? So there you go, a perfect matching set. This week's video is dedicated to my cousins Kate and Rose. You guys, isn't there just something amazing about hanging out with family? I think it's a fact that we share the same DNA, but there's this comfortable connection that you just can't replicate. My cousins came up this past weekend and we had such a wonderful time. They are both so kind and funny and smart and talented. It must run in our genes. Just kidding. But seriously, I am so proud of the women they have become. They really make the world a brighter place for everyone in their lives. Thanks for coming to visit, ladies. Please come back again. And I can't wait to watch how you continue to make the world a better place. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you get to spend a little extra quality time with your family members soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great week.